Sean again, an application engineer here at WinDaq Instruments. In this video tutorial, we'll show you how to make the frequency and RMS acquisition methods available in WinDaq when using a DI 1000, 2000, or 4000 series product. Using our proprietary WinDaq data acquisition software to acquire data, you may have noticed that the RMS and frequency acquisition methods are grayed out. To make the RMS and frequency acquisition methods available, click the Edit pull-down menu, select Preferences, and choose Maximum Sample Rate. In the Maximum Sample Rate window, uncheck the Auto option. This disables the aliasing filter in WinDaq, but it also makes the RMS and frequency acquisition methods available to use. With Auto unchecked, we can use the RMS or frequency acquisition method. Before using the RMS acquisition method, we'll have to set a window or sample size. The sample size here is typically large enough to accommodate several cycles of the waveform. If we want to acquire frequency, we need to choose a frequency window size, generally large enough to accommodate 10 or so cycles of the waveform, and set a level, generally somewhere in the center of the waveform. With the window size or level selected, we can go back to channel settings and acquire RMS or frequency data. Click the link below for more information on the frequency and RMS acquisition methods.